So clearly the text hanging off the edge of the page in the bleed area is no good. So there is a quick answer to this. And if I select the frame with the selection tool, go to Object and then choose Text Frame Options. In the dialog box options here, make sure Preview is turned on. And then we can change the vertical justification, which is by default aligned to the top. Choose Bottom. Then that of course makes it sit right on the bottom of the box. But we can go to Inset Spacing, just make sure that they are unlocked. And then I can choose to increase the offset spacing just by 1 millimeter would be enough. But it just pushes the text up in that field so that it can't sit right at the bottom. With that done, I'll click OK. Go to Edit, choose Copy, View, Fit Spreading Window. If I go to Paste in Place, I can drag this across to the opposite side, and if I hold down the Shift key, it will prevent that from moving up and down. And let go of the mouse, then let go of the Shift key. That now is aligned in a mirrored position on the right hand side page.